Hey guys, the good folks over at Coolife sent me over this suitcase to do a quick unboxing, go over some of the features, and let you know what I think about it. So let's get it cracked open and check it out. Oh, and by the way, it is supposed to be carry-on approved. So we're going to measure it and find out. One of the first things I'm noticing is how well it spins. It rolls around real smooth. That's a plus. Has a dust cover over it, so when you're storing it, you don't have to worry about it being all dusty. Velcroed on there like that, and you can just slip it off. Has all your paperwork here for it. Just notice it's got a handle there you can carry it by. The handle up here you can carry it by, and if you are using it as a carry-on, it's got a handle down here on the bottom. You pick it up like that and set it up in the little storage area above the seats. Got a really interesting looking lock up here. We'll take a closer look at that in a moment. It has the hard case on it. It's not the soft. I really like this gray color. It looks really cool. It does have the extending pull handle. Pull that out. Okay, if you'll notice, it comes preset with 3 zeros right there. You can just take a pen or something and push that little reset button right there. Push it in like so. You'll notice it goes in. Now you can reset your code to whatever you'd like. We'll just go something simple right there. We'll just go with something simple. Then you're good to go. Push that in, so it'll unlock. But if you got it in a different number, go back to the zeros, try to do it, it won't unlock. You have to go back to your code that we just set. We'll do a quick measurement right here. You're looking at about 14.5 inches wide, about 9.5 inches deep, and about 21 3/4 inches tall, or long, however you want to count that. So there you go. There's your measurements. Now let's take a quick look on the inside here. Nice big zippers to grab a hold of. Have a little carrying area right here. You can put your laptop, tablets, whatever you need to do. Okay, right here is that inside padded area here on the front. I have a large 17-inch laptop here. It does fit in width-wise. It's going to be a little too small to accommodate a large laptop. But a 15-inch or so, you should be fine. A very large tablet here. That goes in perfectly. And a regular size tablet will go in right there. You also have some pockets down here that you can put stuff in, right here. And some pocketed areas up here on the front side. Be good to carry your electronics in this area where you can quickly access them. You don't have to open up your whole suitcase. Just pop this open and get your tablet out and you're in business. Now this does have Velcro right here, so you can open that on up. Like so. And you'll be able to get to it a lot easier if you needed to. Now it does have a zipper here that you can unzip, and that will allow you to gain a little more access, probably a couple of inches here, to expand that interior room. Let's take a look at the inside. You have a zippered pocket area here. Keep your hairbrush or whatever you need to in right there. There's this belt here. You can get your clothes all lined up in there. This is not going to be as deep because you have your pull handle right here. So you can feel that right there. You might be able to see what I'm talking about. But that's still pretty deep. Going over on this side, you have a large zippered area right here. Now, me personally, I'm not a professional traveler or anything, but when I do travel, I have to have somewhere to put my dirty clothes. And I would probably put them over on this side, because I could throw a dryer sheet or something in there so it doesn't smell up the whole luggage. And have it separate from my clean clothes. It's like you have a waterproof zippered area right here. Put your toothbrush and things that are going to get wet, shampoos and whatnot. Put them right in there. Another little zippered area here where you could put different things you need to kind of see. TSA accepted luggage lock. So I guess our lock, TSA approved. That's cool. Nice to know. Anyway, very nice suitcase. Now just for the fun of it, I'm going to put me in a couple of changes of clothes and see how well they fit in here. Okay guys, I have really kind of probably got more than what it's going to hold, but I really want to put it to a test. Now, don't make fun of my underwears. 4 underwear, 4 socks, 4 shirts. Just so you'll know, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pair of shorts, pair of jeans, and 2 pair of slacks. Now, that's 4 days right there. Oh yeah, not a problem at all. Actually, I could probably put more. I'm happy with that. That would work. This suitcase is a size for an extended weekend or maybe a full week. But if you're going away for a substantial amount of time, you probably need a larger suitcase, which Coolife does offer other sizes and other colors of these suitcases. You might want to check those out too. Anyhow, your Coolife suitcase will be ready to go when you're ready to go. Hey, I really like it. Definitely a thumbs up in my book. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you might want to check this playlist out right over here. Might be something in there that perks your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.